Hello everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. In this video we have another question, and this might seem easy but it's a bit confusing, so make sure to pay special attention to this question. And these type of questions frequently come when you appear for the written test in interviews. So please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're new or if you haven't yet done it. So yes, with this note, let us begin the video. The question goes like this. In the class demo, we have a print method which takes wrapper class integer I as the parameter and prints integer. We have another void print method which takes this Varargs as the parameter and it prints Varargs. Okay. And in the main method, we create an object of the demo class. We store it in the reference variable t. We say t.print. We pass the argument 10. Okay, this is our question basically. Options are option A integer, option B Varargs, option C it will give a compilation error, option D it will give a runtime exception. So what do you think will be the correct answer? So what I want you to do now is pause the video, analyze the question, find out the correct answer, and then you can resume the video and see to the solution. Okay. Okay, just reverse the IDs. So the correct answer is option A integer. Why integer? See, this is an example of method overloading. Okay, where we have the same method name but different parameters. Okay, now in the print, when we call the print method, we pass 10. Okay, now 10 is an integer, right? So it will choose the more specific parameter. Over here it is this wrapper class integer itself. Now I'll tell you how the method selection works in Java. As we have given 10 over here, so 10 is a primitive int type. Now first it will search for a method that has the parameter that has the parameter of this single int, but we don't have it over here. So next it will search for a wider data type. Okay, it will try to widen this primitive int type. So it will search for long. It will convert int to long and it will search for long now, but here is no method which has the parameter long. Okay, now it will try to auto box it. That means it will try to convert this primitive int to wrapper class integer. So it will search for a method with wrapper class integer. So it has got it. So it will execute this method. So it prints integer. And if this wasn't there, it would have chosen this one, Varargs, as its last resort. It would have converted, put 10 into an array and it would have printed Varargs. Okay, but there was no need to do that because we got a much specific method. It did auto boxing. Okay, that means it converted a primitive int to wrapper class integer. Now let me show you by just give it like this, long. It will print long. You can see it printed long. Okay, because what it does, it searches for primitive int, doesn't get it, so it tries to widen it to long. Okay, it tries to convert it to long, so it has got long, so it executes that. Now if I try to do this, if I try to use the wrapper class long, again let us run the program. You can see it executes Varargs. Strange, I said it can auto box, so why is it choosing Varargs? But see, first it has to, there is a lot of work to do in this method. What it has to do first it has to convert this primitive int 10 into long. It has to widen it to long. Then it has to convert that primitive long to wrapper class long. So first it needs to widen it, then it needs to auto box it. So that's a complexity. We don't want that. What we want is a simple thing. So what it will do in this particular method, in the second print method, it will just, it has got int over here. So it will put 10 into an array and it will print Varargs. It's as simple as that. It will choose the most specific in which it has to do less work. It will choose that method. Alright, now if I give double over here, let me run my code again. You can see it prints double. Okay, because it converts this primitive int to double. It converts 10 into 10.0. It widens it. It gets this option of widening. It goes with widening it. Okay, so it prints double, not Varargs this time. It's pretty interesting. I personally like this question very much. Yes, that's it for today's video. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts related to this, you can try this in your own IDE. You can experiment with a number of things, and if you face any problem, make sure to comment it down below. I'll surely answer your doubts. And yeah, that's how we end today's video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring. Thank you, and bye-bye.